Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to edit portfolio listings using both custom and pre-designed templates in WordPress. Step 1. Editing portfolio listings with a custom template. Start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard and selecting Portfolio. Here, you can customize the listing options, which include features like contact information, images, media, and business hours. On the right-hand side, you'll see portfolio categories where you can select the relevant options for your listing. Ensure the page template is set to custom template. This will allow you to modify the layout and content exactly how you want it. Once you've made your changes, click Edit with Elementor. You can now edit essential elements like the title, description, client info, category, and social icons. You can also update the content URL and choose the layout structure that fits your needs. To customize the design further, simply drag and drop widgets to enhance your portfolio. Adjust general settings as required, then click Publish to save all changes. Step 2. Editing portfolio listings with a pre-designed template. To use a pre-designed template, create a new page by clicking Add New Page and give it a relevant title. On the right side, set the template portfolio listing a single-page template. Once that's done, click Publish. Then edit the page using Elementor. As per your need, kindly use the Portfolio Single Page widget to customize your template. Now, go to Portfolio, select all listings, and assign the newly created page template. Choose the layout structure and drag and drop any necessary add-ons for customization. Finally, click Update to save the changes. And that's it. You've successfully edited your portfolio listings using both custom and pre-designed templates. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.